Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 3rd of April 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the 4 successful trades that are triggered at my side. So I'm going to start today's discussion from USDJPY. So guys, first of all, I'm going to take you towards the signals report so that I can show you the signal for USDJPY. I was expecting a recovery on this pair and 106016 was the entry, and you can see that right we have a break on the entry and then it started to go into the upward direction as I have predicted in my signals report, and it has just went near to the targeted price that I have supplied 106624. So overall guys, if you have traded this area, then this is a very big gap, and even you cannot see a single bullish candle for some bearish candle for some hours, and it went up straight in the upward direction. So hopefully those traders who have taken the trade on USDJPY, they should have caught the massive profits. Okay, now let's talk about another pair, which is AUDUSD. I have supplied the bearish signal from my side. The entry was 076893, and you can see that right from the entry we have seen a sound downward trend on AUDUSD. We have a big drop here, and it has taken the U-turn, and then finally it has went down and it has went up to let me clear here, it has went up to 076671. So hopefully you people must have caught the trade after the U-turn, and hopefully you must have a very good positive trade on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. I have supplied the bearish signal to my subscribers. 128806 was the entry, and you can see right from the entry the market started to make a bearish pattern, and it has even hit the targeted price 128478, and it was already hit on this point. At last, I'm going to talk about a Great Britain Pound JPY, which has taken a proper U-turn today, and 149137 was the entry, and you can see that right from the entry the Great Britain Pound JPY has started a bullish pattern, and it has touched the targeted price 149714. Moreover guys, some signals were expired during the early session of the day. Like I was bullish on Euro USD in the early session, because you know that I sent my signals 1 hour and 30 minutes before the London session. So I was bullish on that time on Euro USD 1 through 3. 1 to 7 was the entry, and it went up from that area, but later on we have a drop. And now let's talk about the Great Britain Pound USD. It went up fine in the early session of the day from 140654, and then later on we have a drop on this pair, but the signal was expired. And at last I am going to talk about USDCHF. It has also triggered as per the signals report. The entry was fine, and later on it has caught the fundamental and it has moved up, but overall this signal was you can say that this signal was satisfied more than 50% on that time. So guys, this is all about today's analysis. Moreover guys, if you want to get the trading system that you can see on the screen, like sell in the top red boundary, this is the overbought levels, and when the market comes into the lower red boundary, this is the oversold level, and from here the market can get a boost, like you can see on the indicators here. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, if at the oversold level, if the scalper points the buy arrow in the form of white arrow, then you can buy the pair, it moves up, and like when it gives the sell signal at the top, then you can sell the pair. This is how we use the trading system. And guys, this is all about today's analysis, and be careful, the market is very tricky, because you know this is the start of the new month, so be careful for a couple of days, and after that market will again get stable. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that I have just explained, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.